Hey there, in today's video we're going to tackle an interesting problem with handling very old dates in a CSV file. You see, when using pd.to_datetime in pandas, it tends to fail when dealing with dates prior to a certain timestamp. Quite a pickle, right? But fret not, because we have a neat solution to this dilemma using poolers. Let's dive in and see how we can work around this date limitation. So, the solution to our date conundrum lies in leveraging the PeriodIndex function in pandas. By assigning a new _dates column with the period index of our existing date column and specifying a daily frequency d, we're able to transform those ancient dates into a format that pandas can handle flawlessly. Just like that, we've reconfigured our dataset to accommodate those tricky old dates without breaking a sweat. Problem solved, thanks to the power of pandas. To wrap things up, we've successfully managed to overcome the timestamp limitations in pandas by utilizing the PeriodIndex function. By converting our old dates into period-based values, we've sidestepped any issues related to out-of-bounds timestamps and ensured smooth data processing. And with that, we reach the end of our video. If you found this solution helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!